trip to Mercury? Yes! So let's begin the preparations. People of Earth, I am Kashvi from Mercury. I have come to invite you all to my planet. So friends, let's gear up, put on our spacesuits and zoom off. I'm sure you must be bored of coronavirus and lockdown in your planet. Let me take you to another planet, that's Mercury. Do you want to know how we will go there? Here is this amazing spaceship that will take you there. Isn't it majestic? We would also require a special spacesuit. Mercury has very extreme temperatures as it is the closest to the sun and does not have any atmosphere. This spacesuit will keep you cool during the day and warm during the night. It will take us about 40 days to reach Mercury. But don't worry, we will have a lot of food and entertainment and won't let you get bored. There will be movies, games, gym, etc. on the spaceship to keep you occupied. On the way, we would see Venus, the sister planet of Earth. When we are about to reach, we will see Mercury as a grey ball spinning slowly. We would go around Mercury before landing. You would be given special goggles to look at the sun and still protect your eyes. We would go around Mercury spotting craters, and I will show you the Caloris Basin, which is the largest crater on Mercury. If these features aren't enough, I have a few more for you. You could celebrate your birthday every 88 days, as Mercury takes only 88 days to go around the sun. And Mercury has a sunrise every 180 Earth days. So much time to sleep and relax. Aren't you all excited for this wonderful trip to Mercury? I am so excited to welcome you all. Just overjoyed. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you the 2 rules. Rule number 1, be happy and enjoy to the fullest. Rule number 2, do not pollute Mercury as you've polluted Earth. Friends, would you like to see the certificate, the memento that you would be getting for visiting Mercury? Here it is. Isn't it a little cute and cool one? So friends, what are you waiting for? Just book your trip now. Pick up your passport and contact me. You can reach me at Kashviranasaria, Mercury. Friends, I've also written a small poem for you. The title is Mercury. Nearest to the sun is Mercury. Do not worry, it is not that. The nearest to the sun is Earth. Its position is also very worth. The grey planet is Mercury, but it isn't scary. We will see the sun flames and also play some games. Let's go to Mercury. Let us hurry! So friends, if you want to win a free trip to Mercury, like, subscribe and share my video. Bye. See you soon. Explore.